In this video, I'll show you how to compress a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. To compress a PDF, you need to have the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat Reader, as the free version does not support this feature. If you cannot purchase the Pro version right now, you can use an online tool to compress your PDF. If you have the Pro version, start by right-clicking on the PDF you want to compress. Hover your mouse over Open With and select Adobe Acrobat to open the file in Adobe Reader. Once the file is open, go to the menu option at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, hover over Save as Other. A few more options will appear. From these options, select Reduced Size PDF. Next, a window will appear asking you to select a compatibility version. Keep the option set to Retain Existing and click OK. After that, choose the location where you want to save the compressed file. You can also rename the file at this point if needed. Once you've made your selection, click on Save. To confirm that the file has been compressed, go to the location where you saved it. You will notice a size difference between the original file and the new one because the compressed file will have a smaller size. This is how you can easily compress a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader.